How high do you think a Lego car can climb? 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, or even higher? Today, we're pushing the limits by testing how steep a Lego wall it can conquer. Let's find out. First up, a tiny 0.9 centimeter wall. I send in a basic, no-frills car. Clears it like it's nothing. Now let's double the height. Things start getting interesting. It's not making it over. Solution? Beefy off-road tires all around. It climbs like a champ. Next challenge, 2.7 centimeters. This monster doesn't even break a sweat. Up to 3.6 centimeters. Still ridiculously easy. Then we hit the 4.5 centimeter mark, and we've found our limit. Time to bring in the new prototype, a flexible segmented frame design. It fights for traction, but finally makes it over. Can it handle 5.4 centimeters? Absolutely no issues. Pushing to 6.3 centimeters. Nails it perfectly. How about 7.2 centimeters? Another flawless victory. But here's the real test. At 8.1 centimeters, this design finally taps out. But we're just getting started. Introducing version 2.0, a gear-driven climber with rotating lift arms. Let's put it through its paces. Moves slow but super steady. Yes, it scales the wall. Next level, 9 centimeters. The gear mechanism performs beautifully, hoisting it up. Another round, another success. Now for the grand finale, 9.9 centimeters. Can our engineering marvel pull off one last miracle? Oh no, the mighty climber finally topples and falls.